Hey, what's your name? This is Barbie and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's the bougie wear no way. Period, y'all know the vibes. So today I am back with another hair review / hair tutorial. Y'all already know what's going on. Don't even act brand new, y'all know what's going on. And today I'm wearing Megalook hair. This is a 22-inch ombre wig. No, I did not color this wig. The wig came colored. That's why the wig came colored. I know somebody's gonna ask me, so period. Let me just tell y'all straight up. I did not color this wig. It came like this. This is their ombre wig, 22-inch, like I said. And I love the wig. I love the color. I love how it complements my skin tone. The only issue that I did have with this wig is that it was kind of too big for my head. So it kind of feels like a little bit bulky, but you can't even tell because I do my thing, period. Yeah, so you really can't even tell that it's kind of too big for my head. But other than that, looks pretty good. I did a pretty good job. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you think about this look, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already, period. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy. Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so first things first, we're going to put on our stocking cap. And we're going to cut the ears so that way the cap will lay flat. We're going to use our Got To Be Freeze Spray. And we're going to put that over the hairline. And then we're going to blow dry it until it is completely dry. Now for the next step, I'm just going to cut the remaining of the cap off and go ahead and go in with my powder foundation in the color Ebony and put it on the front of the cap. I'm going to put the wig on and adjust it to my head, so I can go ahead and cut the lace. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Now I'm going to take my Bougie Barbie hair gel, which is dropping this week, period, and put it on the front of the hairline as well as with some freeze spray. And I'm going to blow dry it until it is tacky. And then I'm going to lay the lace over the product and press the hair and the lace into the product and blow dry it so that way it will like stick very, very well. And once you cut the lace and you still have pieces sticking up, just go in with your freeze spray and blow dryer and melt it right down, okay, sweetie? my hair how I want it. And then I'm gonna go in and use my wax stick, which is dropping this week, period. I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb just to lay it down flat, and then I'm gonna go in and start plucking and doing my baby hairs. Now I'm just styling my baby hairs how I want them. You do not have to do yours like this, but this is how I do mine, okay? I'm just taking my hot comb and just basically just laying the hair down sleek and flat, and I'm going in with my powder foundation in the color Ebony, and I'm putting it on the lace so that way it will blend like really good with my skin. Now I'm just going in and flat ironing the hair. I got this flat iron from Walmart. It's my favorite flat iron. I've been having it for years and it still hasn't went out on me. So this is basically the end of the video. Once I get done flat ironing my hair, I'm just gonna give y'all a few looks. Y'all know how I do the bougie wear no way, period. I hope y'all like this install. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already. And I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. I love y'all so much. Bye, bougie babes. Mwah.